How to buy IOST token. Before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, don't forget to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So, as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, as you can see, you have plenty or multiple exchange platforms that this token available on. And one of these platforms, as you can see, is MEXC. So, if you have an account on MEXC, you can click on this pair link, as you can see. If you don't have an account on MEXC, you can check a referral link down in the description, and you can create an account on it to benefit from rewards and fund it with some USDT. Now, after that, what you need to do, go and log into your account. As you can see, you will be able to see this page to be able to buy this token. Now click on limit here. You can here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will pay of that USDT on your account. And here click on buy IOST. And if you select the market, you can drag this, as you can see here, to set the percentage that you want to use of the USDT that you funded on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click on buy IOST. So this is how to buy IOST or IOST token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.